So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and make your Instagram account private. Now, doing this is actually very basic. And to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your Instagram application. So when you make your way over into your Instagram app, what you're going to want to do next is you want to click onto your profile. So at the very bottom, tap onto your profile right there, and then you'll come right into this page. Now what you want to do next is you want to click on the three lines that are in the top right corner right up here. So tap right up there, not this, you want to click it right up here. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see this little option right here that says account privacy. So tap on account privacy right here. And then at the very top, there's going to be this little portion right up here. So you want to go ahead and basically, you'll see this private account option. And all you're going to want to do is you want to click open or click on for this particular private account option. What's going to happen here is it's going to go ahead and privatize your account. So it'll go ahead and make it so your accounts will be private. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag, or mention you. No one can reuse your content. All reels, posts, and stories that previously used your content and will be privatized and all that stuff. So make sure you're okay with that. Make sure that that's okay. And if that's okay, you can switch to a private account. And that's all you're going to have to do there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.